Before we start, please subscribe my channel and press the bell again for never miss an update. Let's start. Make a knot. Take a single crochet. Make 14 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. After making 14 chain, first make a single crochet. After making single crochet, make a double crochet. Again double. I am making single double crochet in each chain. All these chain make double crochet. Again I am making double crochet. Follow the same steps till end. After making to the end point, make a single crochet. Make 3 chains and single crochet in the first chain. Now all 14 chains double crochet. In the first chain you make single crochet. Now double crochet. See, the steps are all same. You have to make double crochet in each chain. Follow the same steps till end. crochet, again double crochet, again double crochet, again double crochet, and now in the last step single crochet. Two times single crochet, see this, cut it, this sleeve is now ready. If you like my crochet tutorial, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching my video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.